Hey there, Nichole Booker from SVN, giving you your office update. In general, we are seeing larger, more dense office markets that are probably going to continue to struggle this year post-pandemic, with higher vacancy rates remaining, and rental increases are probably going to be hard to achieve this year. Definitely an emphasis on suburban and secondary markets. That's going to continue. That's good for Akron Summit County. So I think we're going to see the suburban office recover faster than CBDs, generally by those shifting demographics. And speaking of, the rise of the residents in secondary and tertiary markets majorly outpaced growth in large primary metro markets by 70% over the last 20 years. And that's a trend that has continued as millennials get older and as suburbs try to urbanize a little bit. So companies watch these trends, and in pursuit of diversifying their workforce and decreasing overhead, they expand horizons and set up shop outside of the high-priced primary markets. So again, that's good for our market. As far as just general trends, we're seeing a lot more of a shift towards flexible office, maybe doubling and tripling sometimes the occupancy in some companies that want more space for staff to spread out. In other times, we are seeing some downsizing, but in our market, it's been relatively stable in terms of rents, especially the Fair Lawn Montrose office market. Shorter leases. That's another trend that I think we're going to continue to see. Maybe 3 to 6 years becoming more the norm, so that companies and businesses are able to be a little more nimble with the size of their spaces and what they need to do there. Subleases. We're seeing a lot of subleases, sometimes 20 to 35% increase, depending on the market, increases in subleases. And that's going to continue to put downward pressure on asking rents. So we may struggle with what that looks like in terms of increasing rents over the next couple years as we recover. So that's your quick update, and see you next time.